Welcome to Global City Guide. The Philippines is an archipelagic country located in Southeast Asia, composed of more than 7,000 islands. Its capital city is Manila, and the most widely spoken language is Filipino, which is based on Tagalog. The country's population is around 111 million people, making it the 13th most populous country in the world. Economically, the Philippines is considered a developing country, with industries such as agriculture, manufacturing, and services contributing to its GDP. The country is also a major player in the business process outsourcing industry, with companies outsourcing their operations to the Philippines due to its highly skilled English-speaking workforce. Despite its many attractions, the Philippines also faces various challenges, including poverty, corruption, and natural disasters such as typhoons and earthquakes. The government and non-governmental organizations continue to work towards addressing these issues and improving the lives of its people. Top 10 places to visit in Philippines. 1. Tubbataha Reef is a protected marine park in the Sulu Sea, located in the southern part of the Philippines. It is home to hundreds of species of marine life, including sharks, sea turtles, and colorful coral reefs. The reef is a popular destination for divers and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. The San Agustin Church is a Roman Catholic church located in the historic walled city of Intramuros in Manila, Philippines. Built in the 16th century, it is the oldest stone church in the country. The church features intricate carvings and beautiful stained glass windows, making it a popular tourist attraction. 3. Mayon Volcano is an active volcano located in the province of Albay, in the Baikal region of the Philippines. It is known for its near-perfect symmetrical cone shape, making it one of the most iconic natural landmarks in the country. Mayon is a popular destination for hikers and tourists who want to witness its beauty. 4. Malapascua Island is a small island located in the northernmost part of Cebu province in the Philippines. It is known for its beautiful white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life. The island is also famous for its thresher shark diving, making it a popular destination for diving enthusiasts. 5. Puerto Galera is a town located in the province of Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. It is known for its beautiful beaches, diving spots, and stunning landscapes. The town also offers a variety of water activities such as snorkeling, island hopping, and jet skiing. Its vibrant nightlife and rich culture make it a popular tourist destination. 6. The Puerto Princesa Underground River is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Palawan, Philippines. It features a navigable river that flows beneath a spectacular cave system filled with stalactites and stalagmites. The area is also home to diverse wildlife and unique rock formations. It is considered one of the most impressive natural wonders of the Philippines. 7. Donsol is a small town in Sorsogon, Philippines. It is famous for being a prime destination for whale shark watching, locally known as Butanding. The town also boasts of beautiful beaches and islands, stunning waterfalls, and hot springs. It is a great place for ecotourism and outdoor enthusiasts. 8. The Chocolate Hills are a geological formation located in Bohol, Philippines. They consist of over 1,200 symmetrical, cone-shaped hills that turn brown during the dry season, resembling chocolate mounds. The area offers stunning panoramic views and is home to unique flora and fauna. It is a popular tourist attraction in the region. 9. Boracay is a small island located in the western Visayas region of the Philippines. It is known for its stunning white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and beautiful sunsets. The island also offers a range of water activities such as snorkeling, diving, and kiteboarding. Its lively nightlife and a wide variety of restaurants make it a popular tourist destination. 10. The Banaue Rice Terraces are a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Ifugao, Philippines. They are man-made terraces carved into the mountainside by the indigenous Ifugao people over 2,000 years ago. The terraces are still used for farming today and offer stunning views of the surrounding landscape. It is a must-see destination for history and nature enthusiasts. Unusual and fun facts about the Philippines. 1. Basketball is a hugely popular sport in the Philippines, with millions of Filipinos playing and watching the game. From local street courts to professional leagues, basketball has become an integral part of Filipino culture and identity, and is celebrated with passion and enthusiasm throughout the country. 2. The Philippines is one of the world's top coconut producers and exporters, with a significant portion of the country's agricultural industry dedicated to the cultivation and processing of coconuts. With millions of hectares of land used for coconut production, the Philippines is a major contributor to the global coconut market, providing a wide range of products such as coconut oil, desiccated coconut, and coconut water. 3. Filipinos are known for their warm and welcoming nature, making them an extremely sociable people. Family and community gatherings are important to Filipinos, who enjoy spending time with loved ones and making new friends. This sociability is reflected in the country's vibrant culture, with festivals and celebrations held throughout the year. 4. Food is an integral part of Filipino culture, and Filipinos are known for their love of eating. From traditional dishes to international cuisine, Filipinos enjoy a diverse range of flavors and culinary experiences. Eating together with family and friends is a common social activity, with food often serving as a centerpiece of gatherings and celebrations. 5. Shopping malls have become a popular destination for Filipinos, who see them as more than just a place to shop. Malls provide a comfortable and air-conditioned space for people to socialize, dine, and entertain themselves. In addition to retail stores, malls often feature cinemas, restaurants, arcades, and other attractions, making them a favorite pastime for many Filipinos. 6. The Philippines is renowned for its high-quality pearls, which are sought after by jewelry lovers around the world. With a rich history of pearl diving and farming, the country has established a reputation for producing some of the most exquisite pearls in the world. From freshwater to saltwater pearls, the Philippines offers a wide range of options for those looking to purchase these precious gems. 7. Jeepneys are a popular mode of transportation in the Philippines, and are known for their brightly colored designs and unique shapes. Originally repurposed from U.S. military jeeps left behind after World War II, jeepneys have become a symbol of Filipino ingenuity and a memorable experience for both locals and tourists. Overall, the Philippines is a beautiful and vibrant country with a rich culture and history, as well as a promising future. Which city do you want next? Thanks for watching.